Okay, so today is Christmas. Monday. I just started recording. Okay, so today is Christmas, and my friend brought this cake, and then we are making coffee, and we are going to have it.
What would you do with this one?
Don't put a lot.
This is your one. You know, I throw my this one. What? Because I feel like the. Oh, what would we do?
Yeah, why you throw it?
Because it's rusted.
Yeah, because we've been using that for 3 years now.
This is not wasted. It's not wasted.
Coffee is great.
Oh, it's so nice. The smell of the coffee. So comforting.
Yeah.
You know, yesterday I was cooking. Oh no, my goodness. I could not pronounce the word properly. I said, thirst.
No, the coffee is great.
Our coffee maker experience. Yeah, very experience.
I did internship in Starbucks. Yeah.
So they used to do like this.
But I used to, make the coffees helping my colleagues. So they used to teach me, but they were way too professional. I was like, how messing up. They're like, Sneha, just get out of our kitchen. Because it was always busy and everything. Oh, we need cake. The cake is so good. Right. Let's go. Yay! Really? Yeah. What a luxury.
Until you're feeling like it's up again, feel the sunlight on your skin.